In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in PDF24. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your toolbox, you want to click on Sign PDF over here on the right. And then whenever you do that, you have to choose your file. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click on this first one, click on Open. There we go. And it's going to open up the PDF. Now, up top here, as you can see, you have the option to actually add a signature. So just click on that. And then you have three options here. You could either draw your signature. So for example, you could just go like this and type it in yourself. So if I do like instant over here, for example, and of course I could basically draw it however I want. It's completely up to you however you do it. I just did it that way right now. You could click on this check mark and it's going to add the signature. Click on add this signature and there we go. It's going to pop in. You can then resize it. You can move it around. You can kind of spin it, rotate it, etc. It's completely up to you, whatever you want to do. You also have two different options. Of course, if I just show you right now, if I remove this, let me do it. There we go. I'm going to add a new one. Click on upload and you could upload a signature as a picture. So in case you have like a picture, maybe a PNG, or you basically took a like an autograph or like a signature on a piece of paper, you took a picture of that and you have it, you could go ahead and upload it from over here and get that working as well. Of course, you could get that picture as a signature inside the PDF. And then last but not least, you can capture your signature by camera. So you will have to allow access to your camera and then you'll be able to do it that way as well. So those are the three options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.